Rongo!
Shame. This good food gone to waste. All because he can't pick up a meat off the grill. Bad, isn't it? Being able to barbecue will make you a superhero to your girlfriends, but the equipment makes it feel like they're eating kryptonite. The grill is one of the greatest inventions, but the right utensils will make people celebrate you. Like you just saved the world. You won't believe how easy this makes grilling. Best of all, it doesn't conduct heat. You don't have to be bulletproof or have indestructible skin to hold it, so you don't burn yourself. It's lightweight. You can cook, flip your burgers with ease, so you can fly those burgers with a spatula. Easily pick up hot dogs with the tongs. Enjoy any beverage you like with a custom beer or wine opener. Cut through the most savory and tender meat with that built-in knife. And spread sauce on it like you can spread goodwill around the world. It's compact and can be folded and transported anywhere. You've got tongs, a spatula, a flexible brush to apply sauce to your food, a built-in fork, a can and bottle opener, and a corkscrew for the wine. And to make it even more amazing, the entire unit folds in on itself, reducing the overall size of the unit. They're held in place by a small yet powerful concealing magnet that holds onto them until you need them. You don't have to worry about being a sidekick anymore. Here, try this on for size. The Rongo Grill Accessory. It makes you a superhero at any barbecue.